Hi everybody. So this is basically just a random video. But I've been listening to YouTube, and I've been listening into the MGTOW people and what they have to say about certain topics, but I wanted to say that I guess I just wanted to pitch in and say that the title of this video is going to be called Women Don't Love Nature, or Women Don't Love the Earth, because I think that most of them are not they're not in tune with the ancestral soul and the ancestral spirit that may have resided within them at one point, but it just simply has died at this point. And the question is that does the westernized material woman does she even resonate with her soul anymore, with anything? Because most women, they get so caught up in what they see in front of them. They get caught up with what they see, and they think they're always thinking about what they can have, what they can purchase, or what they can buy, what they can have physically. Spiritually, they're not in tune with themselves anymore. Nor are they sound, nor are they mentally sound within their soul. I don't know if they even have a soul, because to have a soul means that you're able to send out a vibration and resonate with something that you can't physically have. You have to cherish. You have to be able to cherish your surroundings. You're gonna have to be able to cherish deep inside with another soul. But I don't know. It's like they're impersonating the television, which in turn does not have a soul at all. They're just, I don't know, they're just seeing what's ever in front of them. And it's always like, buy this, buy that. You can have this, you can have that. But, which in turn, makes most people ignore what really brings essence to your body, to your soul. What brings life? What brings life to your body and your soul? It's the air. It's the trees. It's the water. Because my time here, for all the time I've been here, I've physically been here on this planet, I haven't heard, I don't know, I haven't heard any woman say that, yeah, I'm in love with nature, I'm in love with the trees, I'm in love with the air, I'm in love with the rocks, I'm in love with the dirt, I'm in love with the river, the wind? What about all of these things? This in turn, this is bringing life. This brings life to your soul. And in turn, a person, an individual, needs to be like the earth in order to bring life to a soul, if that makes any sense. The air and the wind is so refreshing. I'm in love with all of these things. Because I feel that any material thing, I don't know, it just gets boring after a while. To me, it does. I don't know. Like what real joy can a necklace bring you? Or what real joy can, I don't know, like, I don't know, you guys. These material things, they're not going to last for very long. See, all of these material things, they're not going to be here in the long run, but the earth is still going to be here for millions and millions of years. I don't know, you guys, that's just my quick little video. So the woman, the Matrix woman, is not in love with nature. She has lost her way. And this in turn, this in turn will be a lonely path. It'll be a solitary path. And I'm fine with that, because I don't really like hanging around people anymore, because I see what they've truly become. I see how they are, and they're not resonating in truth. It's all false. It's all like a false sense of reality. To be in the Matrix world, to be in that material world, and we've simply just lost ourselves within it, and we need to try, and the awakened souls need to try and find a way out. Otherwise, you're gonna have to go through a lot of, I don't know. To be spiritual means that you're going to have to let a lot of things go. And I don't mind letting people go that aren't with the true vibration of love, which is found within nature and found within another person's soul who is on the same level. If that makes any sense. Okay. Because I'm in love with what I see right here. And it's not gonna change. I don't know what makes me so different, but I just feel that way, you know. I deeply feel that way. What do you truly feel? My heart is in love. I'm in love with this, what you see right here, you guys. I'm in love with it, and I'll do anything to be with it. but I'm in this matrix society, and I have to try and make a living for myself. But okay, I'm gonna end this video now.